At sea, lights aren't just for beauty. They speak a language. They tell us what kind of vessel we're looking at and what it's doing. Let's explore the International Navigation Lights under the COLREGS, the International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea. COLREGS Part C, Lights and Shapes, Rules 20 to 31. This section defines what lights and shapes vessels must display, when, and under what circumstances. Rule 20 says that all vessels must display proper lights from sunset to sunrise and during times of restricted visibility. These lights help other vessels identify your type, direction, and activity. Rule 21 defines what each light means: side lights, masthead lights, stern lights, and all-round lights, each showing your position and movement at sea. Rule 22, Visibility of Lights, specifies how far away each type of light must be visible, depending on vessel size. Sailing vessels shown at night. Sailing vessels, if under 7 meters, they just need to keep a white torch ready to avoid collisions. Sailing vessels under sail only show red on the port side, green on the starboard side, and a white stern light. When a sailing vessel is underway by sail alone, the COLREGS allow vessels under 20 meters to use a tricolor light, red to port, green to starboard, and white astern, all in one lantern at the masthead. It gives 360 degrees visibility and clearly tells other mariners, this vessel is sailing, not powered. But remember, once you start your engine, that tricolor must go off. You switch to power-driven lights and display a cone shape, point down. That's the international rule: clear, safe, and visible at sea, i.e., night sky. A sailing vessel under sail alone shall exhibit a red light on the port side and a green light on the starboard side, a white stern light aft. However, as an option, a sailing vessel may also display 2 all-round lights in a vertical line near the top of the mast, red over green, to make her position clearer at night. Remember the phrase, red over green sailing machine. This optional masthead configuration helps other vessels recognize that you are under sail and not under power. For smaller sailing vessels under 20 meters, the red and green side lights and stern light may be combined into a single tricolor light at the top of the mast, which simplifies wiring and visibility from a distance. The optional masthead red over green lights may be used together with standard side lights and stern lights, but not with a tricolor combination light. A sailing vessel that is also being propelled by machinery is considered a power-driven vessel. This means the vessel must display the same lights as a power-driven vessel underway: a white masthead light forward, red and green side lights, and a white stern light aft. In addition, to indicate that the vessel is using both sail and engine, a black conical shape with its apex pointing downward must be displayed during the day. This day shape, the downward cone, tells other vessels that although you have sails up, you're actually running under power. At night, your lights will look exactly like those of a motorboat, not a pure sailing vessel. Remember, once the engine is on, you're power-driven under the COLREGS, even if your sails are still raised. A power-driven vessel less than 12 meters in length may show 1. An all-round white light, placed where it can best be seen, visible 360 degrees, and 2. Side lights, red on the port side, green on the starboard side. That's it. This is the simplified lighting arrangement for small powerboats. In practice, night view. The all-round white light acts as both the masthead and stern light combined. It must be higher and aft of the side lights to avoid confusion. The side lights, red and green, each show an arc of 112.5 degrees, visible from the front to slightly aft of the beam. For small powerboats under 12 meters, the COLREGS make things simple. Instead of multiple mast lights, you only need one all-round white light and a pair of side lights, red to port and green to starboard. The all-round white light must be visible through 360 degrees. A power-driven vessel underway, meaning it's being propelled by machinery and not at anchor or aground, shall exhibit the following lights. Power-driven vessel under 50 meters in length, as per Rule 23A and B. Required navigation lights. Masthead light. One white light placed over the fore and aft centerline. Shows an arc of the horizon of 225 degrees from dead ahead to 22.5 degrees abaft the beam on each side. Side lights. Red light on the port side, green light on the starboard side, each showing an arc of 112.5 degrees, visible from the front to just aft of the beam. Stern light. One white light placed as far aft as possible, showing an arc of 135 degrees, visible only astern. That's the standard 3-light configuration for vessels under 50 meters. Special note, for vessels 12 meters to 50 meters, unlike vessels over 50 meters, which must show 2 masthead lights, forward and aft, with the aft one higher. Vessels under 50 meters need only 1 masthead light. Power-driven vessels underway, over 50 meters in length. This applies to all ships and large power-driven vessels operating under their own power, such as cargo ships, passenger vessels, or large yachts over 50 meters in length. Required navigation lights. Rule 23A and 2. A power-driven vessel underway of 50 meters or more in length must exhibit the following lights. 2 white masthead lights. Forward masthead light, placed over the fore and aft centerline of the vessel. After masthead light, placed higher and farther aft than the forward masthead light. Each shows an arc of 225 degrees, visible from directly ahead to 22.5 degrees abaft the beam on each side. The vertical separation between these 2 lights helps other vessels judge your length and direction at night. Side lights. Red light, port side. Green light, starboard side. Each shows an arc of 112.5 degrees. Stern light. 1 white light showing 135 degrees, visible only aft from right behind 2.